Irish music needs a feisty, fiddling frontwoman without frontiers, without fear. I am that woman.
Shine, shine. Oh, let the sun shine.
Díobh. My name is Clare Sands. I'm a multi-instrumentalist and singer-songwriter from Cork, Ireland. I'm a sixth-generation fiddler, hailing from a rich musical background. I've been living and breathing music since I played my first note at the age of 3. For the last 5 years, I've been touring and travelling the world, exploring different cultures and sounds and learning beautiful music along the way. From Cork to Cuba, Galway to Germany, Sicily to San Francisco, Marrakesh to Mexico and Manhattan. This year, the COVID-19 pandemic meant all my concerts were cancelled. It was set to be my busiest summer yet, with headline gigs at Irish festivals as well as incredible opportunities abroad. However, I had time to truly immerse myself in making my debut self-titled album, an eclectic and energetic contemporary record rooted in Irish traditional music, with my unique fiddle playing and voice at the core. This album will be a pulsating journey for all the senses, with tunes to move to and songs to get lost in. In March, I moved to Connemara on the west coast of Ireland and set up a temporary home studio in an old cottage to compose, to write and demo my new music, driven by daily wild sea swims.
Tan green exquilten a gluck.
It was there that I performed a series of live and recorded gigs inspired by the Connemara landscape, to some new audiences. Jams in the van, Connemara cottage sessions, and the blessing for Irish embassies around the world. I am now preparing to go into the studio to begin the next phase of making this album. I am excited to step into this new stage and into a room full of incredibly talented musicians. Together, we make a truly innovative sound, navigating through uncharted territories. We are ever evolving, we are forever pushing boundaries. Making an album is a very costly venture. Your contribution will help the production of this album, including studio time with Brian Casey of Wayfield Studios, mixing and mastering, guest musician and band fees, duplication and videography. Entirely self-composed, this album is a melting pot of all that I am drawn to and all that I come from. I have a pot full to the brim with a wide array of ingredients, all being stirred around by a fiddle bowl. I'm a song and tune collector. I'm an explorer and adventurer. I'm an artist with a palette of endless colours. I would like to thank you all so much for supporting me so far from the bottom of my heart. To my family and friends and fans old and new, I appreciate you and thank you for allowing me to do what I do. These are strange and difficult times, and your support and help in the making of this album means so, so much. Keep well, gnairi live, agus míle buíochas. Say hello, Grace O'Malley. Oh.